all you YouTubers out there, it's me, SpookDix56, or as Crystal basically. And I made a video on how to make a bow. That is changed But I want to make a serious video right now. This is probably going to be the first serious video I've ever made, but it's about the meaning of life. Life isn't about brands of clothing or popularity. It's not about who has how much money. It's not about living in the biggest house. It's not about being fat or skinny. It's not about being short or tall. It's not about being. It's about being nice, not being mean. It's about being who you truly are. Don't put on some show. Like if you're a sweet person and you help out in the community, don't go to school and be nasty to everybody. You know what I mean? I'll continue this topic maybe later or right now. I'll probably finish it. Just you don't need to put on a show. The world is supposed to be how the world is supposed to be, not fake, not plastic, not anything. It's supposed to be wholesome and good. We've changed that so much. It's not what Jesus Christ wants us to do. I am Christian and I have a cross in my room. But life is about being you, not about being somebody else. If you're pretending to be somebody else and you've done that so long, you've convinced yourself that's who you are. The real you is locked up inside of you, and it's dying to get out. So just even if it's for one moment, 1 minute, 1 second, 1 day even, let that person out and see how good you feel when you're kind and helpful. And I can have my moments when I'm not nice or sweet, but I always have to remember that I have the real me inside. Just remember